Welcome back. Today is the 6th flower in our easy piping series, the Wild Rose. We will be using a number 104 petal piping tip. Attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. With the narrow end of your tip facing out and the wide end at the center of your flower nail, we will begin forming our petals. So to form our petals, we are going to apply pressure, pull out, dip down slightly in the center, pull back up, and then back down. It sounds more complicated than it is. You're basically making a heart shape with your petals. So we are going to continue piping until we have 5 or 6 petals and we are happy with how our flower looks. We are going to switch to a number 1 tip, and I'm going to use a white buttercream for my center. So to add your center, pipe a circle right in the middle of your flower. This circle can be as big or as small as you would like. I usually make it big enough to hide any of those imperfections. So continue piping these small dots and filling in your circle until you are happy with the way that the center of your flower looks. And that's it. That's how easy it is to pipe a buttercream wild rose. As always, I would appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you will join me next week for a new easy piping tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.